Presenting a pre-owned 2014 Audi Q7. This four-door SUV has a 6-cylinder, 3.0-liter V6 engine, with all-wheel drive, and a Tiptronic transmission. This Audi has less than 73,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 16 miles per gallon in the city, and 22 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, external temperature display, roof rails, body side reinforcements, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, power windows, rear privacy glass, and window defogger.